You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -24. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 12. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -24.